Alright, good morning. I am staying at Royal Caribbean and I am in the Jamaican building. So I am about to head over to Port Royal, which is like the lobby, the marketplace, and the gift store where everything is. But first I was going to check out this pool area real quick. See what we have going on here. There's a lot of construction going on. And this is the Jamaica pool area. So each little island area has its own pool space. So this is a nice pool area. Probably is becoming handy real well when the main pool gets a little overcrowded. Okay, so this is the beach area by Jamaica buildings. Alright, just to let you know, I am staying at building 43 and I am going to the main lobby area. And on the map it says it takes me about 8 minutes to walk over there. So I have to go along this little jogging path here, over the bridge, to the lobby, to the marketplace, and everything else. So it says it is 0.3 miles. So from there and back is a little bit over of a half a mile just to walk to the lobby and back. That is the biggest complaint about this hotel, is that it is very spread out. Okay, so you have to cross that bridge over there to get over to the lobby area, and you can see the Riviera in the background. It looks like they are having movies under the sun like they do at all the resorts. And it doesn't have them listed, but it says at 8 p.m. on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. This is like a nice little picture spot right here. It looks like you can jog along this whole path. I see a lot of joggers. They're making a huge loop around here to Riviera and then back to Caribbean. And we are entering Caribbean Cay, which is a cool little island area. I hear noise. It might be the playground is actually open. Yep, the playground is open. That is good news because I thought that they were closed. And it looks like we have cannons over here, which would be so much fun to play with. So you feel like you're in the fort, protecting the fort with the cannons. Super cool. It's kind of hidden by the bush though. I guess you need that for coverage. Alright, we finally made it to the big pool. I don't know why the pool's closed. It's 10:30 in the morning. Maybe they open up a little bit later, or they might have other reasons for being closed. So this pool is super cool. It is like you're in a fort and there's a slide that goes down it. So I wish I could go in right now to get better shots. Maybe I can later. But there's plenty of lounge areas here. I know that there's a spa that fits 12 people. You can kind of see the pool. I'm trying to get a shot of it. All the other pools, they're pretty cool. They're nice size, but this is the fun one. It has a water slide. It has the canyons. It has the plenty of lounge area with the umbrellas. And it also has the smaller kid play area where it dumps water on you, because every kid loves that. Adults love it too. It's a lot of fun. Now it says that Banana, I don't know if you can see that sign, Banana Cabana opens from 11 to 10. That is your beach bar. That is your pool bar. And I believe that they have some bar type of foods and appetizers that they serve there too. Here's a better shot of the Banana Cabana. Very island theme.
Yeah, the guideline is 50 degrees.
Okay, well that's good.
The weather service shows 50 degrees at 52 degrees at noon.
All right, thank you. All right, so you heard that. That is what the guidelines are, is for opening up the pool, is it has to reach 50 degrees to open up the pool. So I don't know if we're gonna make it 50 degrees. I kind of feel like it is. It feels very sunny today. It just needs to warm up in the temperature. And here is a cool pirate ship, the aquatic play area activity. So that barrel up there fills up with water and then it dumps down on the unsuspecting or suspecting children beneath it. And the pool with the slide. So you go up to the fort, you have your pirate flag above you, flying above you as you slide down the really cool water slide. And this is so much fun. I remember oh, there's another slide over here. I forgot about that slide. So this is a smaller slide for your smaller little pirates. Now it is a great time to book this hotel, because if you are a Florida resident or if you're a pass holder, they are giving some great discounts for the winter months, or up until I think April. It is affordable, but you get a little bit of value out of it too. I personally like the layup. I like it being spread out, but a lot of people complain about how spread out this awesome hotel is. Now, why should you stay here? Well, there's a lot of cool things here. It is very, very kid friendly if you have kids, or if you like pirates, that's an option too. It is actually located right next to the Skyliner. If you like going to the Skyliner, it will take you to Epcot or Hollywood Studios or other resorts. Now, It's kind of an in-between. It's not a complete value hotel. The rooms do have some themes if you go ahead and book the pirate ship. I'm not staying in the pirate ship. I am staying in one of the rooms with the 5th sleeper, so family 5 can actually go ahead and book a regular room without having to be a huge suite or anything for a reasonable price. So you gotta love that. Now right behind me is the lobby, and nowadays you really don't have to go into the lobby unless you are going to go get food or if you have to check in. With mobile check-in, all you have to do is just go ahead and click the check-in button and go directly to your room, which is what I did. It's not too busy today, and as you can see, there are bus stations all around here. So depending on which island you get assigned, I was assigned Jamaica, for example, there should be a bus station at each one of the islands along with an old smaller pool. So let's go in the lobby and check it out. So here's the front with the lobby and bell service. And it looks like everybody is waiting for the pickup, and still the Magical Express, while it still exists, it is going to go away next year, and I know a lot of people are going to be bummed out about that. Hello, good morning. And here is the lobby, and I love these fans up here. I've always been fascinated with the fans up there. I think they are super cute, super cool. Alright, your lobby and waiting area is pretty spread out in spaces, which is easy to stay distance right now, and also wait for your food when you do your online orders and queues. Alright, in our gift shop we have our 2021 merchandise. Yes, it is February and our 2021 merchandise is out. I have not seen this mini hat yet. That is super cute. Is it a kid size? I don't know if my big head could fit it. I like it. I think it's a kid size. Now look at these cute little hair accents. I think this should be in the adult section too, but that's just my opinion. Oh, I like this. This is kind of like, it's almost like a junior section for adults. For the most magical place on earth. I really like this. How much is it? I might have to get that. $50. Okay. From now until April 17th at the Disney Resorts, you are getting 30% off if you are a pass holder for merchandise. So if I'm gonna buy that cute sweatshirt, now is the time to do it and get my 30% off, don't you think? We have our Mickey hat with ears. Oh, the cute Mickey hats. I like this one. I don't think I've seen this one before. Let's see. Oh, little cat ears. I started seeing these pop up, and they are super cute and adorable. Oh, the dog ones. I haven't seen these. Maybe I have. I don't know. I haven't seen the dog ones, but those are adorable. Back to your essentials, your food, your snacks. I always like looking at the coffee mugs to see what they have. They have their tea. All right. Oh, they have a good coffee mug collection. Look at all this. Oh my goodness. The Walt Mickey one is super cute. I might order the Cuban sandwich from here later. I've actually ordered the Cuban here before, and it was a nice quick serve to go. Here's a waiting area where you wait for your food, and there's not too much of a seating area here, but as you can see, each little station has its own little theme. You have your drink station over here. Hi! To pick up your drinks, and there's a small dining area over here. It looks like restrooms are back here, and you have a Mickey on this wall. Alright, there's also seating out here, which is nice, or you can take it back to your room. I think when I've ordered here before, I always end up taking it back to my room. Okay, so I'm going to take a moment since I found a quiet corner to explain some of the things that they're doing. They have the movies on the lawn, which I think I've already covered, which is still an activity that's still going on, it says. They're also having a special right now where you can tie-dye a shirt with Mickey. I'll have to find out the price for that. I'm not too sure yet. So, but other activities right now are suspended. They used to have a really cool pirate activity for the kids, which unfortunately is not happening at the moment. A couple of the restaurants are closed. Sebastian's Bistro is closed, but the Center Place Market is still open, which is kind of like your quick serve. So it's your basic quick serve food. They have fish tacos though, chicken strips, smoked turkey sandwiches, and Cubans, a salad, desserts, a couple of kids meals like chicken tenders, macaroni and cheese, and things like that. So it is good. Like I said, we came back from a resort one time and it was kind of late. Ordered the Cuban and it was pretty good for a quick serve. Now, like I said, one of the things about this is there's a lot of walking involved if you're going anywhere on this resort. you have to walk to the Skyliner, or you have to walk to a bus station. Each one of the islands areas has its own bus stop. So if you're staying at Aruba, there's an Aruba bus stop. If you're staying at Jamaica, there's a Jamaica bus stop. You also have the Skyliner. So the Skyliner is actually closest to the Jamaican buildings where I'm actually staying, and you have to cross the street to go and enter the Skyliner hub. There's also one right by Riviera. So I guess if you're closer to one of those rooms, you could go to Riviera, but it is kind of spread out. To walk from one end to another, you're definitely walking over a mile. And there's also, for the ones that do enjoy walking and running and jogging, there is a loop that runs all the way around here for a good jogging trail in the morning. So I think that this is a good choice to stay at. One, because the moderate hotels I think sometimes get overlooked. Now, it's not going to be your most gingerbread type place. Some of the DVC hotels and stuff like that, there's a lot of gingerbread. It feels really fancy sometimes overly fancy if you have kids, but it's very nice. This one I think is a safe middle ground. It's not your value resort. I think value resorts are great for if you're staying and you're going to the park. There are some activities and stuff there, like the pool and stuff, but those are kind of a place to sleep by the park and go to the park, in my opinion. Now, this moderate resort, you can enjoy the resort as well, especially the really cool pool, the play areas, the beach area, and things like that. I think that is definite plus, and it's affordable, and it's very family friendly. I mean, with the themes, the playground, the pool area, it is a lot of fun, and you're really close to Epcot and Hollywood Studios with the Skyliner. If you haven't done the Skyliner yet, check that out. It's really convenient. Now, the downside to this hotel is there's a lot of walking. Like I said, some people do not like the walking or don't enjoy it or cannot do all this mobility, which I understand. So this might not be a right choice for you, but you can always call and request a certain location for a room. Disney always goes above and beyond by trying to make the customer happy. So if you just ask them and it's available, they usually are able to help you with that. Okay, so I said I was going to check and see if there's any in-room dining available, and unfortunately right now at this location there's not. The only place that you can really go to eat is at the Center Place Market, and then of course at the Banana Cabana, the bar there. So use your mobile app to go ahead and order, but unfortunately they won't bring you pizza out here right now. Okay, so we are in this room with the fifth sleeper, and I'm super excited about it because it is right by the Skyliner. You have your little holder over here. Oh, I already have some face mask and a magic band over here to hang your coat or your mask in this case, which has become pretty handy recently. You have our, I guess this is not quite nautical, but Caribbean themed type table here with the two chairs. And then let me show you the bed. The bed is nice. You have your little headlamp over here. I mean, it's a nice bed. Nothing too fancy, but pretty cool with the backboard and stuff. Definitely sticking with the Caribbean theme. In between you have the phone and a little drawer. Let me make sure it opens. It opens. And USB plugs, which is awesome that Disney is putting USB plugs in I think all their hotels now, which is good. I'm not exactly sure if it's in all of them, but that is a pretty cool feature that they add. You can control the temperature over there in the corner. And let me show you the fifth sleeper. So, okay, it looks over here, you have like a little bench. I guess you can use that as a seating area. And it has storage underneath for your clothes and goodies. It looks like they put the pillow. Ooh. They put the pillow and blanket in these drawers here for the fifth sleeper. Or it's just a pillow. Was there a blanket? I didn't see a blanket. Huh, I wonder if I have an extra blanket or not, or if it's going to be in the fifth sleeper. That should be interesting. And then you pull down the fifth sleeper just like this, and Mickey is already taking a nice little nap on a hammock with Pluto. Very beachy, very Caribbean beach-like. I like it a lot. It's so cute. Look at Pluto. Oh, I want to pet Pluto. And this easily folds right back up. Not an issue at all. You have the big TV, which is awesome. The big flat screen TV. The remote has been sanitized because we have our little baggie that it goes in. And there's artwork. We have our coffee maker and our Caribbean artwork. More storage. Oh, no, not storage. This is our fridge. Ooh, your stereotypical hotel fridge, which always comes in handy. Now, these little privacy doors here. I love these. I love that Disney has all these. These are really cool. I like this decor. It actually has a fan. Like, how many hotels have fans anymore? But it has a fan in here. And then you have your, what are these, like sliding barn doors? But they're not barn doors, they're Caribbean doors. And it opens to the bathroom. So here's our extra pillow and blanket that we're looking for. And we have the pillow that's in storage. You have your closet area, your safe, iron and ironing board. Ignore my luggage. And it looks like there's some towels stored down here, along with the hair dryer, which is cool. Double sinks, which is definitely needed for a family. You have your vanity mirror. Does it have a light? Yes, we have light to do your makeup and stuff. A full-size mirror on the bathroom door. So that is nice. And then the shower curtain is Caribbean themed. The shower, nice little bath and shower. And you have your Mickey soap, as I call it, the Disney soap that's found in all of the resorts. Now this is a moderate resort. I think it's pretty nice for a moderate resort. I like the location of it. I think it's a decent size too. So this is a pretty cool, affordable resort.